Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Chef Shipra Khanna and we are here to give you a new recipe for every school day, which is healthy and delicious. So today I'm going to be making Strawberry Rotizza for you, and your kids are going to be taken by surprise once they see this recipe, and you can whip it up in a jiffy. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. First of all, I've heated the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. And now I'm going to toast these chapatis. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I'm going to whisk cream cheese and vanilla essence. I'm adding no sugar to this because I'm going to add jam. We'll just mix it together. So this is almost done, as you can see. Okay, so this is ready. I'm going to keep it aside. Turn the roti on the other side. This is almost done. I'm going to take it out. So at this stage, I'm going to spread cream cheese on this roti. At this stage, I'm going to add Kissan Strawberry Blast. Take it out in a bowl. This is going to give an amazing flavor of real strawberries in the rotizza, which kids really love. Now with a palette knife, I'm going to spread it all over. Now we'll dress it up with some fresh fruit. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it with another chapati, and with the help of a pizza cutter, we are going to cut pieces. See, it's so crunchy. Here it's done. Now let's pack it in the tiffin. Now look at that, it looks so pretty. And now I'm going to fill it up with some fruit. I have some grapes here, and I have some salted peanuts. They're salted and roasted. I hope this recipe has sorted your tiffin problems out. If you enjoyed this recipe, do subscribe to India Food Network, and I'll be back with more healthy recipes and to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.